Welcome you all. In this video, we are going to discuss orthogonal trajectories as application of differential calculus. In this video, orthogonal trajectories we are going to consider. That means we are going to consider two the families of curves. One is capital F, which contains equations of the form f of x comma y comma c equal to 0. That means equations in the variables x and y and constants, and another family we have g of x comma y comma c equal to 0. So we have two families of curves. We say that one is the orthogonal trajectory of the other if each curve of one family intersects each curve of other family orthogonally. You can look into this figure here. So here you have two types of curves. One is circles and another one is straight lines. So you can consider f as collection of all circles or family of circles, and g as family of straight lines. Then each member of f is intersecting each member of g orthogonally. That means in such case, if you take capital F to be collection of all or family of all circles and g to be family of all straight lines, then capital F will be the orthogonal trajectory of capital G. So that we have mentioned here. To find orthogonal trajectory of the given equation or given curve, so generally you will be given with this one, f of x comma y comma a equal to 0. This actually denotes the general member of one family. That denotes general member of one family. See, one member of this family will be given. From that you have to find the corresponding member of other family. So that means, see, given this straight line, you have to find any one of this circle. If you determine one, then you can find others easily. So only the magnitude is going to vary and the shape of the curve remains same. So given one curve, you need to find the orthogonal trajectory of that curve. That means the member of other family which intersects the given curve orthogonally. So the procedure to find orthogonal trajectory is, given a curve f of x comma y comma a equal to 0, a is a constant, you need to find dy by dx. So finding dy by dx is called determining the differential equation. Determining the differential equation. So I had to find the differential equation of this curve. That means, roughly speaking, you have to find the derivative of f, small f, and we need to find g such that df into dg equal to minus 1. Okay, that means why df into dg is minus 1? Because f and g are intersecting orthogonally, so their product of their derivative should be minus 1. So from this we will be having dg equal to minus 1 by df. If you take df to be dy by dx, then dg will be minus dx by dy. So now if you integrate this, you get g. So given f will be given, you need to find g. So this is the procedure you have to follow. So for working procedure, you can look into this side. Given f of x comma y comma a equal to 0, find dy by dx. That we say that determining its differential equation. Then change dy by dx to minus dx by dy. Why we need to change dy by dx to minus dx by dy? That is explained here. So after finding dy by dx, you have to find change dy by dx to minus dx by dy. Then whatever the equation you are going to get, that you have to integrate to get its orthogonal trajectory. So you can assume this straight line as f. So this f is given. So you have to find its differential equation. That means you have to find dy by dx. Then from that you have to get the differential equation of this curve. What is the differential equation of this curve? That will be minus dx by dy. Then integrate, you get g. So given f, you need to find g. That's all. So under orthogonal trajectories, you will be having problems of two types. One is orthogonal trajectories of Cartesian curve, and another one is orthogonal trajectories of polar curves. Whatever the procedure I explained here, that is for orthogonal trajectory of Cartesian curve. So problems A, find the orthogonal trajectories of the following. Problem A, first equation you will be given with is y equal to ax square, where a is a constant. So you are given with y equal to ax square, that represents parabola. You need to find its orthogonal trajectory. So let us look into its solution. So given y equal to ax square, we need to find its differential equation, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, you get dy by dx equal to 2ax. Dy by dx equal to 2ax. But from the given equation, you have a equal to y by x square. See, you have to get dy by dx in terms of x and y only. Try to eliminate the constant. So using that, you will be having dy by dx equal to 2 into a antandre y by x square into x. So you have dy by dx equal to 2y by x. So you got the differential equation of the given curve. Now change dy by dx to minus dx by dy. Change dy by dx to minus dx by dy. Changing that, you will be getting minus dx by dy equal to 2y by x. See, only this derivative we have to change to minus dx by dy. Other term should be kept as it is. So minus 2y by x you got. Now separate the variables. You will be getting minus x into dx equal to 2y into dy. Now integrate both sides. You will be getting minus x square by 2 equal to y square plus c, or you can have x square by 2, taking this to this side, x square by 2 plus y square plus c square plus c equal to 0. So this you can write as x square by 2 plus y square equal to c, or multiplying both sides. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ minus c ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು c1 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus c ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ c1 ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Anyway, it is a constant, no need to worry about this. Or x square plus 2y square equal to 2c1. So this is the required orthogonal trajectory. So that's about problem A. Next, problem B. X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. So this we call as asteroid. We need to find its orthogonal trajectory. Solution: given x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 3, plus 2 by 3 into y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx equal to 0. So you can multiply throughout by 3 by 2. So here 2 by 3, 3 by 2 get cancelled. So x power minus 1 by 3 plus y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx equal to 0. So from this, dy by dx equal to minus x power minus 1 by 3 divided by y power minus 1 by 3. So this you can write as, to avoid that negative sign in the power, dy by dx equal to minus y power 1 by 3 divided by x power 1 by 3. Now change dy by dx to minus dx by dy. So if you change dy by dx to minus dx by dy, we will be having minus dx by dy equal to minus y power 1 by 3 divided by x power 1 by 3. That negative sign get cancelled. Cross multiplying this, it will be x power 1 by 3 into dx equal to y power 1 by 3 into dy, integrating. So this will be x power 1 by 3 plus 1, that is x power 4 by 3 equal to y power 4 by 3 plus c, or x power 4 by 3 minus y power 4 by 3 equal to c. So that is the required orthogonal trajectory. Next we have one more problem C. Problem C we have. So the given equation x square divided by a square plus y square divided by a square plus lambda equal to 1, where lambda is a parameter and a is a constant. Solution. Given, okay, it's not necessary to write the equation again. Differentiating with respect to x, we will be getting 2x divided by a square plus 2y divided by a square plus lambda equal to 0. So throughout dividing both sides by 2, it will be x by a square plus y by a square plus lambda equal to 0. So from this you can, okay, I forgot one more thing here, dy by dx I have not written, dy by dx into dy by dx, 2y into dy by dx we have forgotten. So from this we have minus x by a square equal to y into dy by dx divided by a square plus lambda. Okay, from this we have a square plus lambda, I am writing here a square plus lambda equal to a square plus lambda equal to a square y divided by x into dy by dx. Okay, this thing we got from this one, or can call this as 2, and the given equation we call that as equation 1. Now substituting for a square plus lambda, we will be getting, substituting this a square plus lambda in equation 1, x square by a square, we will be getting x square by a square plus x square by a square plus y square divided by, in place of a square plus lambda we will be having a square y by x into dy by dx. So that becomes equal to 1, right? Yes. So this becomes x square by a square, x square by a square plus this x goes to numerator, x one the term cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ y, xy divided by a square into dy by dx equal to 1. So we got from this, taking this to the right hand side, minus sign we have, as here is a minus sign, so it will be then a negative sign, yes, it is also negative. So we will be getting x square by a square minus xy divided by a square into dy by dx equal to 1. So you can take 1 by a square outside, 1 by a square times x square minus xy by dy by dx equal to 1, or a square equal to x square minus xy divided by dy by dx. So we got this form. Now here changing, see we cannot further simplify this one, that will be tedious. Let us change dy by dx to minus dx by dy. So then you will be getting a square equal to x square minus xy divided by minus dx by dy. So it will be minus into minus, you get plus a square equal to x square plus xy divided by dx by dy. So now this becomes x square plus xy, okay. From this we have y into dy by dx. I think this we can write as x square plus x into y into dy by dx. So we have a square equal to x square plus x into y into dy by dx. So from this we can write y into dy by dx equal to a square minus x square divided by x. Now we need to separate the variables. Okay, y into dy equal to a square minus x square divided by x into dx. If you divide this, it will be a square by x minus x into dx. Now integrating, we will be getting integral y dy equal to integral a square by x minus x into dx plus c. Integral y dy means y square by 2 equal to a square log x minus x square by 2 plus c, or multiplying throughout by 2, y square equal to 2a square log x minus x square plus c, or x square plus y square minus 2a square log x equal to c. So this is the required orthogonal trajectory. So finally there is one more problem on Cartesian form. We have to find the orthogonal trajectory of problem D. It is orthogonal trajectory of y square equal to 4a into x plus a. Usually problem na show that given family of orthogonal trajectories is self orthogonal anta keltare. Self orthogonal antandre dy by dx na minus dx by dy inda change madidru same equation barabeku. If you get same equation on changing dy by dx by minus dx by dy, then we call that as that is self orthogonal. So here given equation y square equal to 4a into x plus a, solution you will be having, if you differentiate this, 2y into dy by dx equal to 4a. So from this y into dy by dx equal to 2a. Now substituting this in given equation, y square equal to 4a antandre 2y dy by dx times x plus a antandre y by 2 into dy by dx. So now this will be y square equal to 2y. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ y equal to 2 dy by dx times x plus y by 2 into dy by dx. So this will be y equal to 2x into dy by dx plus y into dy by dx all square. So this is the differential equation of given family of curves. This is the differential equation of given family of curves. Now change dy by dx to minus dx by dy. If you change dy by dx to minus dx by dy, then you will be getting y equal to 2x into minus dx by dy plus y into minus dx by dy whole square. So it is again y into y equal to minus 2x dx by dy plus y into dx by dy whole square. If you multiply throughout by dy by dx whole square, it will be y into dy by dx whole square equal to minus 2x into dy by dx plus y into dx by dy whole square cancels with dy by dx whole square, y into 1. So this became y into dy by dx whole square plus 2x into dy by dx equal to y. This is the differential equation of orthogonal trajectory of given family. Now here we have y into dy by dx whole square plus 2x into dy by dx equal to y, and here also y equal to 2x dy by dx plus y into dy by dx whole square. We got both equations to be same. Therefore given family of curves ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. given family of curves is self orthogonal. That's all. So with this we are going to wind up discussion on orthogonal trajectory of Cartesian